To explore roof in Autodesk Revit, I've created this file. So we're going to create 6 types of roof. So the first one is by using roof by footprint and zero defined slope. So let's go to Architecture tab, Build panel, click Roof. By default, it's going to go to Roof by footprint. So now make sure you're at level 2 or whichever level that your roof is. Then choose peak walls. Make sure you uncheck this box at the options bar and check define slope. And then for overhang, let's put 1000. If you hover your mouse, you can see the dashed line is outside the wall. So make sure it's not inside the wall like this. Okay, don't click yet. Press Tab. Then it will select the chain of walls. Now you can click the left button at your mouse. If you accidentally place the line inside of the wall, what you can do is you can just flip it outside. Okay, so let's click Finish Edit Mode and see how it looks like. Let's see in 3D. So that is the flat roof. Now let's create another one. Repeat the same step. Architecture tab, Build panel, click Roof. Okay, this time we're going to do the same method. Except for, okay, after you finish created this rectangle, for the roof footprint, go to Modify, click to deselect from all command, and then click one of the line. Let's see this one. And at the options bar, check this box for define slope. And you may want to change the slope to, let's say, 15 degree, and then click Finish Edit Mode. Okay, don't worry about that. This is because of the setting for the view. We're going to learn that after you finish to build building. So if you go to 3D, so that is your roof. So this is a slanted roof. Now the third one is for the defined slopes, we're going to set for 2 walls. Now repeat the same step, go to Architecture tab, Build panel, Roof. Okay, make sure it's 1000 for the overhang. And hover your mouse here, press Tab, click Modify or Escape twice. Choose 2 of the lines and define slopes. Okay, you can leave the slope as 30 degree. Now click Finish Edit Mode. Let's see in 3D. So that is our third roof. Now let's create another one. So this time we're going to choose 4 lines for define slope. I skip 3. You can try to choose 3 lines and check box for define slope. But we're going to skip 3 and do 4. So under Architecture tab, Build panel, Roof. This time, what we're going to do is we're going to click Define Slope before placing the lines. Put your cursor on the wall and then press Tab once and click. Now you can see that all these 4 lines have this slope symbol. So click Finish Edit Mode. Now you can see the roof at 3D. So that's number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, but how about if you have a slanted roof, but the angle of the roof is from this side, not from this side? So let's try to create another one using similar technique, but different settings. So go to Roof by Footprint again. Make sure you uncheck Define Slope. Hover your mouse on the wall and press Tab. And then click. Now this time we're going to use this option here, below boundary line, there's slope arrow. So draw the slope arrow from here to here and tick. So in 3D, it's going to look like that. You can see that the slope is, the lowest point is at this point and the highest point is there. Okay, let's try another one. I'm going to edit the roof that we created. So just double click here. Now, instead of having this line until the end there, what we're going to do is put it at the center. We're going to draw another slope arrow. Okay, let's check where actually the center of the line is. I'm going to just draw a line here and move this one closer there and move this one here. Now I'm going to delete the line that I draw just now. Let's click finish edit mode and see how it looks like. So that is the roof. So other than using slope, you can also play around using slope arrow. Now, before we create the last one, I know that you are eager to know like how to fill, how to move this wall to the roof, right? So that is very easy. Let's go to the first one, sorry, to the second roof. Select all of this roof, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go to Modify tab. Under Modify Wall panel, there's Attach Top to Base. So click that one. And then click the roof. So it will attach all walls to the roof. Now you can repeat the same thing with others. Let's choose this one. Select the 4 walls, attach top to base, and then click the roof. Easy, right?